Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in a live trade on Great British Pound USD at 32.16. I did a sell for two contracts at 59.50. Right now, y'all see I'm $94 in profit right now as we speak with 10 minutes left. This account started with $100. Things are looking pretty good right now. I won a trade earlier. I forgot this balance right here, available balance right here. Uh, I was at work, so I couldn't do a video or nothing like that. So, but made it home. Got rained out today, and I made it home kind of earlier than normal. So I was able to catch my 3 o'clock trade. So got 9 minutes left. We'll get back with you guys in just a moment.